Hi, my name is Lisa Perrin. I'm an illustrator and hand lettering artist with a passion for packaging and product design. I have worked for clients such as Macy's, American Greetings, Anthropologie, Penguin Random House, Blue Q, and many others. My style is elegant and whimsical, with an occasional hint of the macabre. However, I don't shy away from more playful and humorous undertones. I am passionate about the intersection between imagery that is beautiful with imagery that is strange or unexpected. As a designer and as a customer, I've often wished that my favorite foods, cosmetics, and office supplies came in packaging made just for me. In this Domestika course, I'll teach you how to design and illustrate packaging based on historical references and for your specific tastes and needs. For the final project, you'll design and illustrate a product package with hand lettering inspired by your own visual research and personal goals. First, we'll start talking about the most important step: how to kindle your creativity by gathering information and finding what inspires you. I'll show you what materials to use, what the process for ideation is, and how to apply that to the sketching phase. Then, we'll look at how to engage in production by refining that sketch digitally, studying color theory, and making multiple color studies. I'll guide you through the following steps for creating the final art project. We will focus specifically on how to integrate hand lettering into our designs, exploring historical visual research, utilizing grids and guidelines for composition, and then honing the lettering sketches. Finally, I will explain how to finish your piece and share it with others. For this course, you'll need to have Adobe Photoshop, access to a scanner or camera, and of course, a pencil and paper. A little knowledge of drawing, illustration, and Photoshop is recommended, and a drawing tablet is optional. Get ready to bring your packaging dreams to life. With a little inspiration, you can make what you want to see in the world.